Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will talk about a stock that has been requested by a subscriber lately. This stock is Bumble stock, ticker symbol BMBL. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing and smashing that like button since it really helps the channel out with the algorithm. Also, I have a completely free Discord group chat, which link for that is down in the description below. Oh, and have any of you gotten vaccinated yet? I got the vaccine, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine on Saturday, and got a fever and headaches for the whole weekend. Well, this video was supposed to go live yesterday, but was not feeling that good to edit the video and post it. So yes, let me know in the comment section below if you already got the vaccine. But well, Bumble is just a dating app. Even though they talk about it as a social network that works to make connection for dating, looking for friends, or just growing your professional network. Bumble was created by one of the co-founders of Tinder, their biggest competitor. The difference between Bumble and any other dating app is that females are the ones permitted to make the first move and initiate a conversation with which apparently it has been a success for them. Bumble is the second most popular dating app here in the US, but they also own another dating app called Badoo, which has a huge market share in the international market. But let's check their financial for 2020. Now, Bumble has different sources of income. The first one is the app advertising, such as many social media platforms. Then they have their subscription model, which is called Bumble Boost, which costs apparently $25 per month and offers a bunch of premium features for users. But first, let me know in the comment section below if you have used any other apps before and what you think about in comparison to others. They reported their 2020 earnings 2 weeks ago, and they said that we are committed to our mission, our customer, to advancing the business, which fueled our strong fourth quarter and full year 2020 results. Since for the fourth quarter, they reported a revenue increase of 31.1% to $165.6 million, which the Bumble app was $105.8 million, a 46.6% growth, and for the Badoo app, they reported a $59.8 million, which was a 10.5% growth. Their total paying users increased 32.55%, and total ARPU, ARPPU, which is their average revenue per paying user, was $20.02, and their net loss was $26.1 million. Now, for the whole year, they reported a total revenue of $542.2 million between January 29th and December 31st, and $40 million from January 1st to January 28th. Then for the Bumble app, a total revenue of $360.4 million and $221.7 million for the Badoo app and other revenue. Total paying users increased a nice 22.2% year over year, and their total ARPPU was lower than previous year to $18.89. Even though we were or still are in kind of in a pandemic, they mentioned that during the fourth quarter we demonstrated our ability to continue to scale the business and rapidly adapt to the pandemic. Looking ahead, we believe we are well positioned to drive growth in user and capitalize on our significant market opportunity, which I think they do have a nice market opportunity since they are the second largest app in the US. They still have a lot of market share to attract nationally and internationally. Now, here we can see that massive growth for the Bumble app paying users from 890.6 thousand to over 1.26 million users year over year, while the Badoo app and other paying users already were at over 1.14 billion in 2019 and ended 2020 with a little over 1.42 million users. They are now very well positioned financially speaking, since they have $128 million in cash and cash equivalents, total assets of $364 million, and a massive increase year over year, and total liabilities of only $1.55 billion. Now, on the financial outlook, they anticipated a revenue in the range of $163 and $165 million, and adjusted EBITDA in the range of $41 to $42 million for the first quarter of 2021. Then for the whole year, they are expecting a revenue in the range of $716 to $726 million, which would be a nice growth year over year of about 32%, and are expecting to have an adjusted EBITDA in the range of $173 to $178 million. Now, according to the Motley Fool, there are 4 reasons to buy Bumble stock right now and 4 reasons to wait. The reasons to buy the stock right now is because Bumble's accelerating post-pandemic growth, its growing base of paid users, its rising revenue per user, and the expansion of its ecosystem all make it a compelling buy right now. It makes sense because the platform is growing at a very nice pace year over year and still has room to expand even more its female-centric ecosystem, as they mentioned with Bumble, a feature for platonic friendships, and Bumble Bees, the network for professional connections. Even though they do not generate any huge revenue from these 2 services, I think they have potential. I have never seen something like it before, and I think it could be very beneficial for a lot of people. Even more right now, we are in a pandemic, and it is difficult to meet new people. For example, if you are someone that is moving from one state to another due to work and don't know anyone there because you work from home, you could use Bumble BFF to start meeting people and maybe have a nice group of friends. On the other side, let's say that you are a freelancer and need to expand your network to be able to expand your business. Bumble Bees could help you do that faster and could help you match with people that have your same goals. And that, in my opinion, could help Bumble at the same time to grow even more and faster. Now, the Motley Fool also talk about 4 reasons why to wait a few more quarters. They explain that Bumble's core business looks strong, but 4 flaws are tough to overlook. For example, Badu was involved in sexual misconduct controversy in 2019. And second, there is a big gap between Bumble's GAAP earnings and adjusted EBITDA, mainly due to high stock-based compensation expenses, listing costs for the IPO, and depreciation and amortization cost, which is normal right after going public, as we have seen recently in all the companies that we have mentioned in this channel. But they are recommending investors to wait and see if the company can narrow its steep losses, and they also talked about Bumble's high valuation. Since Bumble stock isn't cheap at 11 times this year's sales, it's cheaper than Match, which trades at 15 this year's sales, but it is still pricier than other tech stocks. Now, will I invest in this company? The answer is no, but only because I'm right now focused investing in other companies that I like more than Bumble. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that Bumble is a bad company. They have a very nice growth possibility to expand even further and grow massively in the long term, but I'm just focusing right now on my current investments instead of investing in new companies with such valuation. Also because I'm not that interested in this industry, even though I know it is a high growth industry, because we know that dating apps are never going to disappear, and even more Bumble that also offers apps for making friends or to be able to increase your networking as well. Still, I do know that there is a lot of bullishness around the stock, since a lot of analysts are expecting the stock to get as high as $82 per share. But would like to know what you think about the stock, the company, and would like to know if you have invested in it or not. Let me know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash that like button and subscribe, since it really helps the channel out. Also have a completely free Discord group chat, which for that is down in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.